Take 2, train test around Disneyland's Magic Kingdom. Run it around the track 3 times and then stop at Main Street Station. What? Here it comes into um, New Orleans Square. Now leaving New Orleans Square, we'll be coming into Toontown and Fantasyland, and Tomorrowland, and now we'll be coming into the Grand Canyon and back into Union Street. Between the track there. So we can't slow it down. We have to keep rolling. I wanted to slow down. So here it is passing Tomorrowland. Now it's in the train and we're gonna let it go around one more time. It was really moving. Lucky Mark Gonzalez is the engineer. Driving our Grand Central Tour. And there you have it.